Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will learn how to install the current PHP version on Windows 11. With that we will also run a sample program. Let us start. At first go to the web browser. On Google type PHP and press enter. The official website is visible, php.net. Click on it. Here is the official website. Go below. Here you can see PHP 8.4.7 is the current version. Click on this link. Here is the current version. Here two versions are visible, non-thread safe and thread safe. Okay, we will go for the thread safe version. Here x64 means 64-bit Windows operating system. So I'll click the zip file, 32 MB. Click on it to download. The download started. Let's wait. Guys, we have downloaded the zip file. Right click and click show in folder. Here is our file. We will now unzip it. Right click and click extract all. Click extract. Now here is our PHP file. This is the file. I'll right click on Windows 11 and click rename. Let us rename it PHP 8.4.7. Now let us copy this. Right click copy. Go to C drive. Program files. Right click and paste. Click continue. Here it is. Now let us open it. Copy this path. Minimize. Go to start. Type environment variables. Click here, edit the system environment variables. Click open. Click environment variables. Now under system variables, double click on path. Click new and paste the same path. Paste it here. Click OK. OK. And the last OK. We have installed it. Let us verify. Go to start. Type CMD. Click open. Type PHP space hyphen version and press enter. This shows that we successfully installed PHP 8.4.7. Now let us create our first program. Go to any drive. Let's say I'll go to D drive. You can go to any drive. Let us right click and create a new text document. I'll name it index.php. When I'll press enter, it will ask me to rename it. Yes. So if you're not getting these extensions, you can go to view, click show, and here enable file name extensions. I already enabled it. That's why it was visible. Now right click and edit in Notepad or Notepad++. A lot of users do not have Notepad++, so they complain. So let us open it on Notepad. Now I'll print something. This is our first PHP program. So this is the syntax. Within this you can add your code. So I'll print my name. For that we have the echo function in PHP. Whatever you'll add inside this will get printed. So I'm printing Amit Diwan. File, save. Now we need to reach this path on command prompt. Okay, we can directly go here. Type D and colon. So I'll reach the D drive. Type dir to list all the directories and files. Here is our index.php. So what I'll do, I'll run this index.php, that is the following file which was in D drive. So type php space index.php to run it and press enter. It printed Amit Diwan, that is it printed the following. So in this way we can run our first PHP program. For a free PHP Bootstrap HTML, jQuery and JavaScript tutorials, refer to the links in the description of the video.